Hi, I want to talk about something really simple, and it's something we do every single day of our lives, and that's just opening mail. We spend so much time opening mail. Sometimes we get chunks of mail like this. I get this, like this is one day worth of mail for me, right? And how do we open our mail, right? We don't think about that much, but since I've been opening mail so much, I was thinking, what tools can I use to better open mails and be more efficient and more productive in my daily life. So for most people, this is how they'd open mail, right? They go here, they push it here, they rip it here, it doesn't come off, right? This is so stuck. And then they'd maybe rip here, maybe get a paper cut along the way and pull out the mail here, right? Here's another way people might open mail is they might take this and put their finger in here and try to go this way. Like, look at this. There's no great way to open mail with your fingers. So maybe use your thumb, right? This looks terrible, right? This took a lot of time too, right? So what I want to talk about and what I've been using are letter openers. Sounds so simple. And there's two of them, and I want to talk to you about both of them. There's this one right here. This is by Westcott. It's a nice letter opener. It has a sharp edge on the side as well as a pointy edge there. And this one is another type of letter opener that I like. It has a safety feature here where it's harder to access the sharp end right here, but this is a lot sharper than this overall, even though it has a safety feature on it. And I like both of them. I've used this for a lot of years, but I started using this type of letter opener more recently because you can actually open up bigger boxes, tapes, Amazon boxes with this a lot easier. You can't open up boxes with this. If you're only opening letters, then I'd say this is probably the better option. Or if you have kids around, this might be a better option because it has a safety feature here. But if you're opening up a lot of boxes and letters and so forth, I like this. And almost every day I'm using this at the end of the day. So here's how a letter opener works. See, you saw how we open it with this manually and how terrible that was. Here, all you need to do is just slip this in here, right here, right? And it just cuts it for you, right? And then from there, look how neat that is. You grab that, and then you grab your mail out of there, right? So similar with this right here, you just put your the letter opener inside the folder here, and that's it. And then you open it. Now look how fast you can open all of these letters all at once, right? You can cut all these up and open this, and then look at that. You can open your mail, grab that out, throw that away, right? So this looks a lot neater. Like you could have opened all like 6 of these things in the time it maybe took you to open one of these things and avoid getting a paper cut. Anyways, the links to these are on the bottom. They're only like a few bucks each, but I find them super useful, and I thought I would make a video about it to see, try to promote people not cutting their fingers and maybe opening the letters more effectively. It's something we do every single day. If you like this video, please consider subscribing as well as hitting the like button. If you have any comments, please comment below. I'd love to hear anybody's comments or opinions about this area. Thank you very much.